Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, guess who's starting a business? I am. So, as you can see from the title, I'm gonna do an inventory unboxing today. So you'll see all that I have in store for you. Bear in mind, I don't have all of the items as yet because they take a while to come, but I'm just gonna show you guys what I have so far. All right, so let's see here. Okay guys, so the first items I have is these wonderful earrings here. um so yeah, these will go up on my sites pretty soon. You can check the description for a link to my site. So let me see if I can take it out of the package here. I had a package that I pulled, so here. So yeah, I won't be selling them like this. I'll be actually selling them as a pair. But yeah, all right, so I'm also going to be selling. All right, before I show you guys those, let me show you some other jewelry that I have. So you can look at this one. I have some chains here that I literally just purchased. So you can see these chains, necklaces. Oh my god, they're awesome. Look at them, very beautiful. So they will be up on my site soon as well. Alright, so I also ordered some lashes. They just literally got here. Well, I just went ahead and picked it up because the process, it's not like in the United States. I have to go through a third party shipping company for me to get the packages. But these will be my lash brushes. So you can see them. They're gonna be like yellow and gold. As you can see, my theme is gonna be tropical, so hence these colors of these necklaces. And there's yellow lashes here, well, lash brush, so they will go with my lashes. And finally, my lashes. So here's the box. Literally, I just literally like got the box here. So I ordered 30 lashes. So let me check my other phone here. Okay, so you can see I ordered 30 lashes, and yeah, in size 33, 35, and 37. So hopefully that's what we receive here. So let me see if I can open this up for you guys to see. I have a key here. Oh my god, I hope. Okay guys, sorry about that. I literally just had to come off camera for a bit to open the box. So I'm just gonna put these side right here. So I literally can see my lashes. Yeah, so let me see which one this is. Excuse my nails, guys. Oops. So these are, I don't know if you can see clearly, but these are, oops, they're the wrong way, size 37. All right, size 37. They come in these plastic containers. So let me focus the camera. So these are size 37, and I ordered 30 lashes. So yeah. Alright, so pertaining to customized lash boxes, because I'm just starting out, I won't have those as yet, but I'm working on to get them. They haven't reached as yet, so I see some ones that I would love. Still sticking to my theme would be tropical. Yeah, but I do like these lashes. Let me see if I can open the tray here. Oh my god, so they come in a tray. Look at it, they're so nice. Wait, so this is a 37. So it's like wispy at the end and small going in. So let me put this back. Put this. Okay, so this is the 37. So I should have 10 37. So let me see here. 2. It's gonna be hard. Let's see. This is a 37. Okay, so this is a 35. You can see this is more full. Oh my god, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Let me open this one. Look at it. More fuller. Look at it. Yeah, I love them. So this is 135. So 35. This is another 35. This is a 37. Okay, so 37, 35. What was the other lash number I said again? Let me check here. Okay, so I ordered a 33, 35, and 37. I don't see any 33s as yet, so we'll see. We will see. This is still 35. Wait, where did I? Yeah, 35. Okay. This is a 35. I literally think they put this 33s at the bottom. This is a 37. So guys, I should have 10 of each styles. This is 35. This is 35. Oh my god, it's so hard. I'm like literally holding the camera here. 35. Oh, this one is coming out. Let's see here. All right. So this is, what is this? A 37. Okay, this is a 37. There's still some more lashes. Oh my god, I still haven't seen any 33s. 35. These people better not romp with me, better not play with me, cause okay. All right. Okay guys, so sorry about that. I literally had to come off camera again just to rip open the box so I can get these out. So I went ahead and counted them, and I did receive all 10 different styles. Well, 3 of 2 different styles. 30 of 3 different styles, yeah. Sorry. Alright, so this is the 33. As you can see, it's a more natural looking. Some of the lashes are longer, some are short, and it's like, you know, fanned out. Let me see if I can. So look, here's a better look at it. Can Alright, so these are the 33s, and I have the 35s, which are a lot fuller. They're fuller, fanned out as well. They seem to be on one length, but they're more darker and fuller. Okay, and I have the 37, which are, you know, shorter. They're shorter here, and they fan out at the end. Okay, so you guys can see these. So these will be up on my site soon. You can check out my Instagram. I'll share my launch date with you guys. My earrings, you know, going all tropical and bougie and whatnot. My lash brushes. So each lash will come with a pair of lash brush. And yeah, this is another pack of the earrings, and these chains. So you can check out my Instagram page, my business page, that is, and I'm gonna be posting the photos, the product photos, so you guys can see. So I'm just starting out with these, and I'm gonna let you know the launch date. All right, look at them. And check out my next video that is coming up. I will give you some tips on starting a business. So just look at these products. Hey guys, so those are my products currently. So do go ahead and check out my business page. I will, you know, drop a link somewhere. You'll see it on the screen. So that is my Instagram page, and you guys can, you know, like and subscribe. And remember, I'm just starting out, so I'll be learning as I go along, and you guys will be here every step of the way. Look out for my other video on some, you know, advices starting out on a business. So what else? I guess that's it for now. Don't mind the hair. I just went into the town, and yeah, so toodles, tropical beauties, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Bye bye.